In this lecture, we will learn why Java is called a platform-independent language. In languages like C and C++, when the source code is compiled on a particular operating system like Windows, it generates a machine code that's understood only by that operating system and not by Mac or Linux. We cannot run a C program compiled on Windows on Mac or Linux. Similarly, if we compile it on a Mac, it will generate something that can be only run on Mac and not on Windows and Linux. That's called platform dependency. But in Java, we don't have this dependency because when we compile Java code, the Java compiler generates an intermediate code called bytecode. It is not machine code for a particular operating system. This bytecode can be interpreted by the Windows JVM on Windows, the underlying operating system, and we can have a Linux JVM which can interpret it for Linux. So all the power, the platform independency comes from this additional step. The JVM uses the just-in-time compiler to do this translation of bytecode into the operating system understood machine code efficiently. That is why Java is called a platform-independent language, because once compiled, it can be run on any operating system by using a JVM.